Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference Channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about revision exercise from subtraction chapter. First topic is subtract the following. A. 3876 minus 1625. You write these two numbers vertically, and before writing these two numbers you write thousands, hundreds, tens and ones, and leave two space for writing the borrows, and then put the minus sign and start from ones place. 6 minus 5 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2251. B. 9287 minus 5166. Start from ones place. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 4121. C. 8998 minus 7647. Start from ones place. 8 minus 7 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 1351. D. 2788 minus 1726. Start from ones place. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 7 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1062. E. 9873 minus 5267. Start from ones place and we can't subtract 7 from 3. So borrow from this 7, 6 and this becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 4606. F. 9139 minus 8563. Start from ones place. 9 minus 3 is 6. We can't subtract 6 from 3. Borrow from this 1. It becomes 0 and this 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. And we can't subtract 5 from 0. So borrow from this 9. It becomes 8. And the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 8 minus 8 is 0. So the answer is 576. G. 7618 minus 3276. Start from ones place. 8 minus 6 is 2. We can't subtract 7 from 1. Borrow from this 6. 6 becomes 5 and this 1 becomes 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer is 4342. H. 7899 minus 4276. Start from ones place. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is 3623. I. 6398 minus 6288. Start from ones place. 8 minus 8 is 0. 9 minus 8 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. And 6 minus 6 is 0. So the answer is 110. And next problem, question number 4. Solve the following story sums. A. Mary collected 739 coins. If she gave 314 coins to Julie, then how many coins remained with her? So first we have to write down the given data 739 and 314. Then we have to find the number of coins remained with her. And to find this we have to do the subtraction operation. So in solution part I have written number of coins with Mary equal to 739 and number of coins given to Julie equal to 314. So number of coins remained with Mary equal to 739 minus 314. We write these two data vertically and then do the subtraction operation. Start from ones place. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 3 minus 1 is 2. 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer is 425. So 425 coins remained with Mary. And B, what must be added to 6498 to get 9000? So we have to subtract 6498 from 9000. Write these two numbers vertically. Then start from ones place, and in ones place, tens place and hundreds place the values are 0. So borrow from here, it becomes 8 and this 0 becomes 10, and borrow from here it becomes 9. The 0 becomes 10 and borrow from this 10 it becomes 9. Now this 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 9 is 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2502 added to 6498 to get 9000. C. On Monday, a bakery sold 392 pastries. On Tuesday, the bakery sold 405 pastries. How many less pastries were sold on Monday as compared to Tuesday? So, how many less means we have to do the subtraction operation. So, in solution part, we have to write the given data. Number of pastries sold on Monday equal to 392. And number of pastries sold on Tuesday equal to 405. So number of less pastries sold on Monday equal to 405 minus 392. So write these two data vertically. Then start subtraction from ones place. So 5 minus 2 is 3. We can't subtract 9 from 0. So borrow from 4 becomes 3 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 13 less pastries were sold on Monday. D. The sum of two numbers is 7216. If one of the numbers is 6136, find the other number. So they have given the sum of two numbers 7216 and one number is 6136. To find the other number, we subtract this from this. Okay. So start from ones place. 6 minus 6 is 0. And we can't subtract 3 from 1. So borrow from this 2 becomes 1. And this one becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So the answer is 1080. So 1080 is added to 6136 to get 7216. And for this problem, you can write the statement also. Sum of the two numbers equal to 7216. One number equal to 6136. So the other number equal to this minus this equal to 1080. E. Gopal's monthly salary is rupees 8629. After spending rupees 6390, he saves rest of the money. Find his monthly savings. So they have given total salary and the amount spent by him, and they have asked us to find the monthly savings. So to find this, we have to subtract amount spent by him from total amount. So to find the monthly savings, we have to subtract 6,390 from 8,629. So first write down the given data. Salary of Gopal equal to rupees 8,629 and amount spent by him equal to rupees 6,390. So amount of savings equal to rupees 8,629 minus rupees 6,390. After writing these two data vertically, we have to do the subtraction operation. Start from ones place. 9 minus 0 is 9. We can't subtract 9 from 2. So borrow from the 6, 5, 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer is 2,239. So he saves rupees 2,239. F. Out of 1,982 chocolates, Charlene distributed 1,561 chocolates in the school on her birthday. How many chocolates are left with her? So they have given total number of chocolates and number of distributed chocolates. They have asked us to find out the number of chocolates left with her. So we do the subtraction operation. In solution part, we have to write total number of chocolates equal to 1982 and number of chocolates distributed equal to 1561. So number of chocolates left with her equal to 1982 minus 1561. You write these two data vertically and then do the subtraction operation. Start from ones place. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 9 minus 5 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 421 chocolates are left with her. G. City Library A has 7,623 books and the City Library B has 9,012 books. How many more books does the Library B have? So they have given number of books in library A and number of books in library B. We have to find number of more books in library B. That means we have to do the subtraction operation. In solution part, we have to write number of books in library A is 7,623. Number of books in library B equal to 9,012. So number of more books in library B equal to 9,012 minus 7,623. You write these two data vertically. Start from ones place. We can't subtract 3 from 2. So borrow from 1. It becomes 0 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 3 is 9. And we can't subtract 2 from 0. Move to next place and here also 0. So move to next place. Borrow from this 9. It becomes 8. And this 0 becomes 10. Borrow from this 10. It becomes 9. And the 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 2 is 8. 9 minus 6 is 3. And 8 minus 7 is 1. So the answer is 1,389. So 1,389 more books in library B. H. The wholesaler bought 1,940 boxes of dry fruits during the festive season. If he manages to sell only 1,636 boxes, how many boxes of dry fruits will be left with him? Left is the keyword for subtraction operation. So they have given total number of boxes and number of boxes sold. We have to find the number of boxes left with him. So in solution part, we have to write total number of boxes equal to 1,940 and number of boxes sold equal to 1,636. So number of boxes left with him equal to 1,940 minus 1,636. You write these two data vertically, then do the subtraction operation. Start from ones place. We can't subtract 6 from 0. So borrow from this 4. It becomes 3 and this 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 304. So 304 boxes will be left with him. Hi, this is the last problem. In a poultry farm, 2015 eggs were collected in a day and 1320 of them were sent to the market. How many eggs remain in the poultry farm? So they have given total number of eggs and number of eggs sent to the market. We have to find out the number of eggs remain in the farm. So we have to do the subtraction operation. So in solution, total number of eggs equal to 2015. Number of eggs sent to the market equal to 1320. Number of eggs remain in the farm equal to 2015 minus 1320. Start subtraction from ones place. 5 minus 0 is 5. We can't subtract 2 from 1. Borrow from here. Here the value is 0. So move to thousands place. Borrow from 2, it becomes 1, and this 0 becomes 10. Borrow from this 10, it becomes 9, and this one becomes 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 695. So 695 eggs remain in the poultry farm. So my dear students, today we have completed the revision exercise from subtraction chapter, and we have completed all the topics from subtraction. You go through all the problems very well. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.